Did you know that a hacker attacks every 39 seconds? That's over 2,200 cyber attacks every single day. And the ones who succeed? They're using some insanely powerful tools. Today, we're diving into 5 must-have hacking tools that every hacker needs, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Let's get started. In cybersecurity, having the right tools is just as important as having the right skills. Without them, hackers struggle to gather information, stay undetected, or even execute attacks properly. But with the right tools, you can completely change the game. Imagine trying to hack into a system without knowing what's inside. No network scanning, no vulnerability detection, no way to test if an exploit will even work. You'd be flying blind and probably get caught in the process. That's why hackers rely on specialized tools to map out targets, crack passwords, intercept network traffic, and stay steps ahead of security teams. Let's break down the top 5 hacking tools that professionals use to find vulnerabilities, bypass security, and test defenses. First up, we have Nmap, aka Network Mapper. If hacking was a video game, Nmap would be the map cheat code. It scans networks, finds open ports, and detects running services. With this, you can see what's vulnerable before you even take the next step. Next, we have Metasploit, a hacker's best friend when it comes to exploiting vulnerabilities. If Nmap finds an open door, Metasploit kicks it wide open. With Metasploit, you can automate attacks, run payloads, and even gain full system control. That's why it's one of the most feared tools in cybersecurity. Now, if you want to see everything happening on a network, Wireshark is your tool. It captures network traffic in real time, letting you analyze packets and even sniff out sensitive data. Let's talk passwords, because people suck at making strong ones. And that's why hackers use John the Ripper to crack them. If a password is weak, John the Ripper can break it in seconds. And finally, Burp Suite, the ultimate tool for web application hacking. Want to learn how to bypass OTP verification using Burp Suite? Check out the link in the description. Out of all these tools, one stands out the most: Metasploit. It has been used in countless real-world hacking scenarios, proving just how powerful it is.
How significant is that?
Yeah, I mean, the Treasury Department is saying that this is a pretty big deal. I want to read you exactly what they said just to make sure that we outline exactly what's going on here. Basically, what they said was that as of December 8th, a third-party vendor flagged...
So let's recap. The top 5 hacking tools you need are: 1. Nmap, find open ports and vulnerabilities. 2. Metasploit, exploit systems and gain access. 3. Wireshark, capture and analyze network traffic. 4. John the Ripper, crack weak passwords. 5. Burp Suite, hack web applications. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite hacking tool? Drop a comment below. If you like this, subscribe for more. I post 2 to 3 videos every week on ethical hacking. Thanks for watching.